the cradle of the ancient land, where faith and hope go hand in hand. Christians stand, their hearts so pure. In Rojava, peace must endure. Different faiths, one shared light, guided by love through the darkest night. Harmony blooms where hatred fails, a story of hope that still prevails. Let us danger near, but love casts out every fear. Stand with those who seek to live in peace with all they have to give. Their dream is clear, their hearts aligned to justice and faith they bind. Rojava calls, can you hear? A plea for love so loud, so clear. Oh, let us dream is clear, their hearts aligned to justice and faith they bind. Rojava calls, can you hear? A plea for love so loud, so clear. Ooh, let us pray, let us sing. For Rojava, let freedom reign. Ooh, Christians, Rojava's dream, let it be a beacon of peace for the world to see. For in their love, God's light shines. Every heart His will aligns. Rojava's dream, let it be